Hello everyone, I am Shivantika, legal intern at LEXIS and Company for the month of June. And today in legal news, as last we discussed that how the Supreme Court has pulled up West Bengal government for the upholding of information of children often during COVID-19. And also today we'll see that the Supreme Court has also directed to ensure that no break in education of the children who lost their parents during the COVID is to be seen by the union territories and the states itself. So the Supreme Court has directed the state governments and the union territories to ensure that there is no break in the education of the children who had become orphan or lost even a single parent during COVID-19 pandemic. The state government and the union territory should ensure that there is no break in the education of the children who have become orphan or lost either of the parents. This is what the court order specifically states. A bench comprising of Justice Nageshwara Rao and Anirudh Bose passed the direction in a suo motu case taken by the court to consider the problem affecting the children during the COVID-19, as was also discussed in the previous legal news topic, the same case. The advocate Gaurav Agarwal, who is the amicus curiae in this case, the affected children should not face a situation of discontinuance of their education. Accepting these suggestions made by the amicus, the bench observed that if the affected children are studying in government school, they should be permitted to continue. Insofar, the children who are studying in private school, the state government or the union territory should take steps and direct the continuance of the children in those schools at least for a period of 6 months, by which some arrangement could be worked out. The bench has also passed directions to the states and union territories to continue the uploading of information of the children who lost their parents in COVID in the national portal of the National Commission for Protection of Children's Rights. The Supreme Court also noted in the order that 30,071 children have been orphaned or have lost one parent or was abandoned due to COVID-19 as per the data collected till now on June 6th. Also to stop the illegal adoption of children orphaned by COVID, public advertisement for adoption unlawful. Supreme Court has also underlined many things in that regard. There were other directions passed by the bench, which are that the state government and the union territories are directed to continue identifying these children who have become orphan or has lost parent after March of 20th, either due to COVID or otherwise, and to provide data on the website without any delay. The district child protection unit has been directed to contact the affected child and their guardians immediately on receipt of the information about the death of the parent or parents. It is to entrust upon the DPCU to ensure that the adequate provisions are made for rationed food, medicine, clothing, etc. for the affected children. Also, the district child protection officer is directed to furnish his phone number and name, the phone number of local office who can be contacted by the guardian and the child. Also, the directions have been further made to issue regular follow-ups by the concerned authorities with the child at least once a month. If the DCPO of prima facie is of the opinion that the guardian is not suitable to take care of the child, he should produce the child before the CWC immediately. The Child Welfare Committee should provide for all the essential needs of the child during the pendency of the inquiry, including all financial benefits as well. The state government and the union territories are also directed to make provisions for continuance of education of the children both in government as well as private schools. No differentiation should be made on this part. The state government and the union territories are also further directed to take actions against the NGOs and individuals who are indulging in illegal adoption. Also, wide publicity should be given to the provisions of Juvenile Justice Act of 2015 and the prevailing schemes of the union and state government, which would benefit the affected children. The DCPO shall also take assistance of the government servants at the Gram Panchayat level to monitor the welfare of the children who are devastated by the catastrophe of losing either of their parent or parents. That's all was that was that all was what's important was directed by the court in this case. We'll continue further with any more updates on these same. Thank you so much.